Alright, I'm here cleaning some of these beets. Not cleaning them, but cutting them. Some of them are real small, but then, I mean, that's pretty good beets. I mean, that's my hand, and that's the beet size. Some of them, like this, a little tiny thing. I might try and save that. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can do that either. But this is just beautiful. Huh? That's not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Some really good beets in there. Nice stuff. I'll take it. I wish I knew what to do with those. I think I might be able to blanch them down and can them, but I don't know. All right. Pretty good. Not too bad. All right, y'all. Just a few carrots that I picked today. That was just, I remember I had extra seeds, so I decided just to throw them out in an area right at the end of the beet row where I ran out of beets, and I just picked those. That's pretty good. That's as many as I got last year from the whole thing, and I haven't even picked the big area of carrots. I mean, that's gonna be huge. Just the beets, that's a big old pot. Yeah, I mean, oh, that's heavy. That's quite a few pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash all this off, put them soaking in water, and then I'm gonna bring them inside and boil these, or well, do whatever I got to do. I'm gonna look at the recipe. I've never done beets. I want to pickle my own beets. I love pickled beets. So I got a lot of work ahead of me, and I'm gonna do my carrots as well. I still got a lot more carrots to pull. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get around to all this today, canning and jarring. I didn't think I was gonna be jarring today, but I think I might. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I know I'm gonna clean these up and get them prepared for jarring. All right, here's the first soaking. I'm gonna do this and then clean them and keep cleaning them until they pretty. When they get pretty, I'm gonna bring them on inside and deal with them. But until then, some pretty carrots for me. That's perfect size. That I like. That's what I like. Beautiful. Now the beets, yeah, some of them are perfect size, some of them are just real small, but I'm gonna pickle them all. I mean, that's a nice beet right there, and then that's a gnarly looking one, but I'm gonna do something with it. But look, that's small, but I'm gonna do something with that. Let's see how small that is. But I'm gonna do something with that. I don't care. I'm not letting it go to waste. I grew them. I'm gonna eat them. See, small, but that's gonna be a niblet in a pickling jar. I'm gonna sweet pickle them too. Let's see. They need a lot more cleaning up. All right. All right, here's the carrots and the beets washed the first time. Boy, they were dirty. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse them and let them sit one more time, and then I'm gonna bring them inside and do the boil and start canning them. All right, here I am boiling the beets and preparing them to can. I'm gonna follow the ball handbook, jarring them, and add just a few little spices that I like myself, but that's all I'm gonna do. Quite a few beets. All right, I harvested the rest of the radishes. I'm gonna pickle these. I ain't never heard of pickled radish as far as, you know, a big staple, but I'm gonna do it. I like pickled things, so I'm gonna go ahead and pickle. That's a lot of radishes. I mean, some of them are just monstrous huge. I'm gonna pickle them, see how they come out. They got a few of these other kind in there. When I bought the seeds, I don't know what kind that is really, but I'm gonna go ahead and pickle them all. And I'm gonna go ahead and till this up. And I still got the carrots and the bok choy to go. The potatoes are growing, so I gotta get this tilled so I can get beans in. All right, everybody, this is what I got as far as beets from the complete beet harvest. That's a big old bowl of beets. That's nice. I like that. I mean, They're small, some of them, but then some of them are really nice, you know. But I'm gonna pickle these. I'm gonna do something. I've been thinking what I'm gonna do with some radishes. I'm gonna go get them radishes and I'm gonna pickle radishes with them. Okay. So I totally don't know what to do with these radishes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pickle them, just like I'm doing these beets right here. And I might mix some of the radishes and the beets and see how that comes out. So I'm gonna see what happens. All right. So this is some of the beets here, and I got them in the jars. But I also did radishes. So what I did is I'm gonna try. You can see it's got radish and beets in there. I'm pickling radishes and beets together. I want to see what happens. I'm gonna pickle some radishes by themselves. Let's see. Well, I had 2 jars with. This must be no. Yeah. Okay, that's no. This got radishes in them. See them? Kind of hard to see there. They're in there with the beets. And this is just a brine I made. I kind of followed the ball book, but then I decided to go on my own. I did 7 cups of water. Dang, how'd I do that? No, 7 cups of vinegar and about almost 7 cups of water. 2.5 cups of sugar. They would have called. I doubled the recipe and then I just tweaked it on my own. I mean, the recipe is right there, but it's not how I would do it. So I mean, some of these things I added that were different. I got ground allspice. It said whole allspice. I think whole mustard seeds. I did mustard powder. I did my own stuff, and I'm putting a few jalapeno peppers and onions in there. So yeah. All right, I got 7 of them I'm getting ready to do, and this is what I got to do after, and I got a lot of pickling to do, so I'm gonna be up for a while tonight doing this. That's the first batch. Got 2 minutes left, 30 minutes in there, and this is the second batch I'm doing. Some of these are just, 3 of them are just pickled radishes, and the other 4 are pickled radishes and pickled beets mixed. I didn't put salt and pickle crisp in the first ones because I simply forgot, but they're optional anyway. So I put them in these. It'd be interesting to see how that comes out. Look, that's pretty. You can see the little jalapeno peppers in there. This looks nice. But this one has absolutely got 1 little sliver of an onion I put in there. But other than that, it's just the flavored brine with radishes. That'll be interesting to see how that comes out. I've never thought to pickle radishes. I always lose so many radishes because I don't know what to do with them. And this year I'm pickling them, and I think they're going to be wonderful. We'll see. It'll be about another 3 or 4 weeks before I crack one of them open to test it. So we'll see. Pickled beets, and pickled radish, and pickled beets and pickled radish. That's the final product.